Hello everyone, I'm Nasrin from the team Tech Focused. Imagine stepping into a classroom and in just a few minutes, attendance is done seamlessly and accurately without any roll calls or time consuming processes. Today, we are going to dive into how our innovative automated attendance system is set to revolutionize attendance management in colleges across India. This system is a step toward making campuses smarter and saving valuable class time. With just a few simple actions, teachers and students can focus on what really matters learning and teaching. In many colleges, taking attendance is a routine task that eats into valuable class time. Calling up names or passing around attendance sheets can be slow and inefficient. Imagine a teacher standing in front of a class of 60 students, ticking off names one by one in a single 1 hour lecture. We will lose nearly 15 to 20% of our learning time. The first few minutes of class are wasted by this process. Now, multiply that by the number of classes each day. Across an entire academic year, this aggregates to a substantial loss of valuable classroom time. Furthermore, this method is susceptible to manual errors in the prevalent issues of proxy attendance, which compromises the integrity of academic records, which can be distracting and frustrating for everyone. With our automated attendance system, the process is incredibly straightforward. When the teacher arrives in the classroom, they just open our app on their smartphone or tablet. Then they connect the device to the classroom CCTV camera using a simple C-type cable. On the phone screen, they'll see a live view of the classroom. With a few taps, the teacher sets a short timer, maybe 2 or 3 minutes. Once the timer starts, the system begins scanning and recognizing each student's face one by one. Students just sit or stand normally and don't have to do anything special. In just a few minutes, every student's attendance is recorded automatically and accurately. When the scan is done, a complete attendance list is saved and ready to use. It feels like magic, but really, it's smart technology doing all the work. This system brings numerous benefits. First, it greatly reduces the workload for teachers. No more calling out names or distributing and collecting paper sheets. Instead, teachers can start their lessons immediately and focus entirely on teaching. Second, it ensures accuracy. Because the system uses facial recognition, then there's no chance for proxy attendance. Each student is verified on the spot, so no one can have a friend stand in for them. Teachers and administrators can trust that the attendance record is correct. It also brings more transparency and accountability. Every attendance record is digital and time-stamped. That means everyone, teachers, students, and administrators can see a clear log of who was present in each class. If there's ever a question about a student's attendance, the log provides proof. Over time, this data can reveal useful patterns. For example, a teacher might see which classes start on time or if attendance drops on certain days. This insight can help improve scheduling and student engagement. Plus, the system is scalable and cost-effective. Many classrooms already have CCTV cameras for security. By using a teacher's existing smartphone and a simple cable, there's no need for expensive new devices. This means even smaller colleges can adopt this system without a big investment. It's basically an easy add-up to the existing setup. And think about the time saving. If each class saves just a few minutes of attendance time, that adds up quickly. Teachers often have tight schedules, so reclaiming 5 extra minutes every class can make a big difference. Over a semester, that extra time could allow covering much more material or giving students extra time if needed. And don't worry about the privacy. The facial recognition can run on the teacher's device or on the school's secure server, so students' images are handled safely. We truly believe this system can transform how colleges manage attendance making it more reliable and convenient for everyone involved. With this system, attendance management becomes simple, accurate, and transparent. Thank you for joining us on this journey towards smarter campuses. We look forward to a future where manual roll calls are a thing of past.